Ever wished your WordPress categories looked more intentional and designed instead of default and boring? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build custom category pages in just a few minutes. No coding, no confusion, and perfect for 2025. First, open your browser and head over to WordPress. In the top right corner, click Log In. When the sign-in options appear, choose Continue with Google, select the Google account tied to your site, and you'll instantly land in your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look for a section called Quick Links and click Edit Site. This will take you straight to the site editor, where everything is laid out visually so you can customize with ease. If you manage multiple sites, just click the one you want to work on, and the editable version will load right away. The interface is clean and user-friendly. Even if you've never customized category pages before, you'll feel right at home. Now, let's add your custom category section. In the top left corner, click the plus icon. This is where you add new blocks to any page. In the search bar that appears, type categories. You'll see options pop up, typically a categories list and a categories block. Pick the one that fits your style. The list option gives you a simple navigation style, while the block feature gives you more visual flexibility. Click your preferred choice, and it'll drop right into your layout instantly. From here, you can tweak spacing, layout, or styling depending on your theme settings. That's it. You've officially added a custom category section to your WordPress site in just a few clicks. No extra plugins or complicated steps needed. This process gives you full control over how visitors explore your content, and it sets your site apart with a professional, user-friendly design. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more WordPress customization tips and strategies to level up your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.